Welcome to the channel, where we take you into the powerful and magical world of logging. If you are passionate about cutting-edge technology, heavy machinery, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because great things are waiting for you ahead. In the heart of the forest, we face nature's true giant, a cedar that dwarfs even the bravest of loggers. This isn't just a tree, it's a titan. Watch as a skilled logger wields his chainsaw, facing the gnarly, twisted wood with pure determination. It's not just cutting wood, it's conquering a legend. Introducing the Quadco 27B, a marvel of engineering. With 4 powerful arms, it grabs trees like a predator snatching its prey. The shining saw blade slices through the thickest trunks in an instant, a true spectacle of precision and power. This isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature. Meet the Timber Pro TF840D, a game changer in the world of forestry. With its 360-degree rotating cab and a 338 horsepower engine, it glides effortlessly over uneven forest floors. It's not just a machine, it's a strategic investment in efficiency and precision, ready to conquer any terrain. The Sherwood series, this isn't just a milling machine, it's a lumber-producing beast. It devours 20-foot logs, spinning at an incredible 950 RPM, turning raw timber into perfectly cut lumber with the ease of a seasoned pro. This is raw power at your fingertips. A hung-up tree, a ticking time bomb in the canopy. It takes more than just tools to handle this danger. It takes experience, precision, and nerves of steel. One wrong move, and this tree could bring disaster crashing down. Ever dreamed of a harvester that feels like an extension of yourself? The John Deere E-Series is that dream come true. With a cabin so comfortable, you might forget you're working, and the agile timberhead dances through the forest with unmatched precision. Welcome to the future of forestry. A moonlit forest becomes the stage for a ballet of steel and pine. Every log is a brushstroke, every movement an act of artistry. This loader, guided by human skill, turns adversity into perfection. The hum of the engine becomes a symphony of power and precision. Behold the Ponzi Scorpion, the king of the forest. With its revolutionary three-frame design and panoramic visibility, it moves effortlessly over the toughest terrain. This harvester does the work of 10 foresters with the flick of a joystick, a true marvel of engineering. In the harshest conditions, where most machines would falter, the KATU 895 thrives. It's like defying the laws of physics, operating flawlessly in snow and ice. Comfort and safety? Top-notch. This is a testament to innovation at its finest. Hauling 60 tons of raw timber over treacherous terrain is not for the faint of heart. Every turn is a high-stakes dance between man, machine, and nature. These road warriors, with nerves of steel, deserve a standing ovation for their bravery and skill. From a distance, the Pony Scorpion truly lives up to its name. This giant scorpion of the timber world, reinforced and advanced in design, showcases its strength in every moment, whether under the sun or the moonlight. Watch as this skilled lumberjack takes on the daunting task of cutting a tree from high up. With a safety harness on, his technique is top-notch. And just like that, the tree trunk falls, completing the job in style. Just look at those massive logs being tossed around like toys. That debarking machine strips the bark off in seconds, while the logs glide onto the conveyor belt, ready for their transformation. Two old saws, the Steel 090AB and Dolmar, are tackling a massive tree trunk. Honestly, I was worried they might break under pressure, but these beasts demonstrated their strength and resilience. In Northern California, a colossal black oak had to be taken down after a snowstorm. Too massive for chainsaws, this lumberjack resorts to handsaws, showcasing sheer determination against nature's might. Watch as this truck backs up a steep hill, slipping dangerously close to a ravine. But wait, the driver pauses, takes a breath, and tries again, successfully navigating the tricky terrain with skill. Here's a sight to behold. An unusual whole tree harvester gliding through the forest, designed to cut down entire trees while preserving the environment. It devours every tree in its path like a shark prowling the ocean. Witness the magic of technology as we craft beautiful wooden products from window frames to flooring. This modern production line ensures the timber industry meets high demands while maintaining quality. What an incredible journey through the world of chainsaws and timber. Remember, safety is always the top priority. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all our latest updates. We can't wait to see you next time. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to discover more impressive stories from the logging world. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next video.